Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a weird glitch I found. I have been wanting to make a video on this channel for a while now. So we're going to do that. So make sure to enjoy and have some fun with the video. Okay, so we're back on. Okay. Here we go. Well, time for another video. Time to show you this weird glitch. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to go to school. Taking forever to load. I'll be right back when it's all loaded. Okay, so I'm back and we are in the game. So, yeah, today I'm gonna show you a weird glitch. Oh my god. Move somebody, okay. Do this, there we go. Let's go. Oh, okay. So what you want to do is you want to wait till class time. So that's one time because it's the best way I could think about doing it. So fast forward time until everyone has to go to class. Okay, now everyone's going to class, so now we need to just wait until everyone is absolutely 100% sitting in their seats. So, yeah. And you don't want to go to class. You don't want to go to class at all. Because if you go to class, then I'll mess up the whole entire thing. Now you can just play around for a little bit, you know. Just like wait. So I'll be right back when everyone's in their seats. Okay, so everybody is not in their seats yet, but you know, you just gotta be patient about it. So we have everyone now let's make this a little faster. And I'll get this done and over with, because it takes forever for these people to walk. Okay, now we just gotta wait for the teachers to get here. Okay. Okay, so you wanna wait until the teacher is at her desk. It says you don't want to start till she's at her desk. There we go. Once she's at her desk, what you wanna do is you wanna go into oopsies, wrong one. You wanna go into blade hair mode. And then you just wanna keep doing this. Look. They don't even care. Teacher doesn't even care. Okay, so you just have to keep killing everybody. So you get everybody in the school. Where is she? Honestly, that's not an idiot, so you can't kill her. So yeah. You also can't kill this person in here. students. Okay, once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to go upstairs again and get the rest of these students. And you can't even get close to the headmaster. See? You can't kill Senpai, so it was a personal space in. So now that you've done that, what you want to do is you want to go downstairs. Hopefully the nurse is there. Because I haven't been into the nurse. She wasn't there. Oh, she wasn't there last time. Where is she? Where is the nurse? Alright, well, let's I'm just gonna fast forward and see if the nurse is here. Okay, so we can't kill the nurse because she is not here. She did not arrive at school. Okay, that's fine. So now what you want to do, you want to fast forward the day, do this. They're discovering nothing. And I was like, how? How do they not discover nothing? All the clubs are dead. There's also the security cameras. So now, what you need to do is go to bed. Okay. Now let's go to school. Okay. Loading screens. It's almost ready so that we can go. Okay, here we are. The only person here is the senpai. Yeah, I'm fine. We have a new teacher today. What's her name? Namaya Saki. Okay, whatever your name is. Here. No. Spawn a... No. No, I'm spawn a freaking Snuffy, no. Okay, well. As you can see, everyone was dead. Let me tell you something. But all the teachers were back alive. Yeah, they were all back to life. It was weird. So that's the weird glitch that I wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And also, comment down below what your favorite part was. If you guys want me to try out anything, just put it in the comments and I will definitely do that. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.